Welcome to Best Tech Gallery. If you're a proud pet owner dealing with pesky pet hair, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of the best pet vacuums to help you keep your home clean and fur-free. Let's get started. Number 1. The EUREKA vacuum, the ultimate game changer for pet owners. Paw prints say goodbye to fur-covered furniture and hello to a spotless home. This powerhouse of a vacuum is not just a cleaning marvel, it's a pet parent's dream come true. With its powerful suction and specialized pet-friendly features, it effortlessly tackles pet hair, dander, and those unexpected messes. The EUREKA vacuum is more than a cleaning tool, it's a lifesaver for your furry family members and your sanity. Get ready to be amazed by its performance and make pet hair history in your home. Upgrade your cleaning game with EUREKA today. Number 2. The Neakasa vacuum, the ultimate pet owner's dream. Paw prints say goodbye to pesky pet hair and hello to a spotless home. With its sleek design and powerful suction, this vacuum means business. It effortlessly tackles fur, dander, and crumbs, leaving your floors pristine. But that's not all. Neakasa's thoughtful design includes a HEPA filter, ensuring clean air and happy pets. Maneuvering around tight corners is a breeze, thanks to its swivel head. And with a quiet motor, your furry friends won't be spooked. Neakasa is the unsung hero every pet owner needs, making your home sparkle and your pets perfectly content. Number 3. The Hoover Pet Vacuum, a game changer for pet owners. Paw prints say goodbye to stubborn fur and messy paw prints with this powerhouse of a machine. The Hoover vacuum tackles pet hair like a pro, leaving your floors spotless and your home smelling fresh. Its cutting-edge technology effortlessly sucks up even the tiniest particles, making it a must-have for pet lovers. Plus, the sleek design and user-friendly features make it a breeze to operate. Don't waste another minute fighting pet messes. Get the Hoover Pet Vacuum and reclaim your clean, pet-friendly paradise. Number 4. The BISSELL Pet Pro Vacuum, a game changer for pet owners. Paw prints this vacuum is a pet parent's dream come true. Say goodbye to those stubborn fur balls and pesky paw prints because this beast means business. Dog face, cat face, its powerful suction effortlessly lifts even the most embedded pet hair, leaving your floors spotless and your carpets refreshed. The Pet Pro Vacuum's innovative tangle-free brush roll ensures no hair gets stuck, making cleaning a breeze. Plus, the specialized pet tools make quick work of upholstery and tight corners. Don't let pet messes stress you out. Let the BISSELL Pet Pro Vacuum restore your home's cleanliness and your peace of mind. Number 5. The Shark Vacuum, every pet owner's dream come true. Shark paw prints say goodbye to pesky pet hair and hello to a spotless home. This sleek, powerful vacuum from Shark is a game changer. With its cutting-edge technology and robust suction, it devours pet fur, crumbs, and dirt with ease. No more worrying about that pet hair tumbleweed rolling through your living room. Its compact design and swivel steering make it a breeze to maneuver around furniture, reaching every nook and cranny. Plus, the extra-large dustbin means fewer interruptions during your cleaning spree. Make your life easier and your home cleaner with the Shark Vacuum, because your pets deserve a spotless kingdom too. Number 6. The Afloia Vacuum, a game changer for pet owners. Paw prints say goodbye to those pesky pet hairs that seem to multiply overnight. With Afloia, cleaning up after your furry friends has never been easier. This vacuum boasts powerful suction that effortlessly lifts pet hair from every surface, leaving your home spotless and hair-free. Its sleek design and user-friendly features make it a must-have for any pet-loving household. Plus, the easy-to-empty dustbin means no more messy cleanups. Experience the joy of a hair-free home with the Afloia vacuum. It's your ticket to a cleaner, happier life with your pets. Number 7. The Homeika vacuum, a game changer for pet owners. Say goodbye to pesky pet hair and hello to a cleaner home. This sleek, powerful vacuum is a fur-busting wonder, effortlessly tackling even the most stubborn pet messes. Its turbocharged suction and specialized pet hair attachments make cleaning a breeze, leaving your floors and furniture spotless. Plus, it's impressively quiet, ensuring your furry friends won't be spooked. With the Homeika vacuum, you'll enjoy a fur-free, fresh home without the hassle. Don't wait, let this pet-loving powerhouse transform your cleaning routine today. In conclusion, finding the best pet vacuum for your furry companion is essential for maintaining a clean and healthy home. We've explored various options today, each with its unique features and benefits. Remember to consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helped you in your quest for the perfect pet vacuum.